Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about the ordinary 100% niacinamide powder. In this video, I'm going to be disclosing what are the different benefits of niacinamide when applied on the skin, and if the formulation of this 100% niacinamide is good for all skin types. And if you don't know how to use it, I'm going to be telling you how to use this product properly to get the best results. This is my dog. This is Mushinu. He wants to be in the video today. I don't know why. He was just bothering me. So we're like, okay, come in the video. What is niacinamide? Niacinamide is also known as vitamin B3. You can actually get it while taking a lot of fiber-rich foods, but niacinamide is one of the very important and well-studied ingredient. It is known to play a very important role in having a perfect skin barrier. In the past decade, niacinamide has gained a lot of popularity as it has said to have numerous benefits on the skin. The first benefit is that it helps to improve the skin conditions such as enlarged pores. So when we have enlarged pores, niacinamide application reduces or shrinks the pore and makes your skin look much more youthful and younger. The second important role played by niacinamide is that it is a very good antioxidant. It stabilizes the free radical by giving it one more electron, and when this happens, this unstable free radical doesn't go and start to kill these cells which is present on the skin, which means that this is kind of removing all the free radicals that is causing the damage to the skin, which can be the pollutants, which can be internal or external factors. It is basically mostly environmental factors. So niacinamide helps to stop that, to hinder that. So that becomes a very good role of niacinamide. Then there is collagen production. Niacinamide plays a very important role in producing collagen, which is one of the important and essential proteins to give a rigid shape to your skin. When there is less amount of collagen, your skin looks much more saggy and dull, and it looks like aged. But when you have high amount of collagen or like a proper amount of collagen present on your skin, then your skin becomes healthy. Not only collagen is present in our skin, but it is vastly present because skin is the biggest organ on our body, but it is also present in the bones and also in the cracks, and also it is very important for the lining of some of the organs. So it plays a very important role in our body. So when there is less amount of collagen, we can see a lot of complications, and it is first visible on the skin. So this niacinamide promotes the collagen production, and that's why it helps with the fine lines and wrinkles. It helps with the hydration and the barrier function. In the studies, it has been shown that when you apply niacinamide to your skin, it has shown to improve the skin condition by improving its hydration. And in the people with the dry skin type, if you apply niacinamide with the adequate amount of concentration, then it helps to improve your skin by improving the hydration, improving that glow appearance, and also at last improving your skin barrier. So niacinamide can also be used for treatment of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and also sunburns. It is just because the niacinamide stops the growth of the melanin or transfer of the melanin in the certain places. So what happens is like the melanin production is lower, which leads to the hyperpigmentation, dark spots, or just pigmentation. So when there is like stopping of the melanin production, your skin becomes much more even, fair, and there is no hyperpigmentation, and it reduces the hyperpigmentation. In some of the studies, niacinamide has helped with the oil regulation, that is sebum present on our skin. Excess of sebum can lead to oily skin and even lead to acne formation. So this penetrates into the skin. It actually tells the sebum glands to work properly to generate just little amount of oil which is necessary for the skin, and that's why it is really good for the oil regulation when added to your skincare. Niacinamide is a well tolerated ingredient. It goes alongside with a lot of different actives like retinols or retinoids or even vitamin C, and sometimes in alpha hydroxy acid it has been added. So it is kind of a versatile substance and it can be used with different skincare ingredients. ingredients. As its ingredient as alone itself, it's hard for it to penetrate and to work. So that's why it is added with different kind of actives like retinols or the alpha hydroxy acid. When they remove the dead skin cells, the niacinamide ingredient can penetrate and do its work on the skin barrier. Now talking about the ordinary niacinamide 100% powder, it is the 100%, it's the ingredient which has 100% niacinamide. You cannot apply it just by adding a little bit of water and then straight add it as a mask. That is going to be a disaster for sensitive skin type. There is a way to use it. Me as a researcher, I would suggest some ways to use it, and you have to use it accordingly. So if you take this powder, don't make a mask out of it just because it's a powder, and that's how usually people, without knowing the background of how to use the 100% niacinamide, and they end up breaking their skin, because niacinamide in higher concentrations cannot be tolerated well by all skin types. It is very high of a concentration. It can lead to a lot of breakouts. It can lead to sensitivity. Be very, very careful by what you are applying on your skin. My first suggestion would be take the sterilized water, or else you can take the packaged water from the supermarket. It is sterilized. It is not in contact with any sort of bacteria or any sort of microorganisms which can be transferred to your skin. So you can take that, then take a sterilized bottle. You can add a little bit of water. If to your measurements, you can add like 100 ml just to be like accurate. And after that, you can take like 3 grams of niacinamide and then put that into the bottle. Shake it well, spray it on your face whenever required, and please store it in the refrigerator for not more than a week. It is just because this 100% niacinamide will dissolve into the water, and then after that, you cannot use it for a long time just because it doesn't have any sort of preservatives in it. If you use the sterilized or the packaged water, that would be a good job, just because you are not having the tap water, which has different bacteria that has been staying in it, and that can be transferred to your skin. So packaged water is a better choice. The second is that you can make it in the lab. If you are a scientist and you are working in the lab, you can take this powder. There are like weighing machines all over there. You can sterilize your beaker. You can add like 100 ml of the distilled water present in your lab. Then you can add like 3 grams of the niacinamide, and then you can see that it is 3% niacinamide. That's how the dilution works. 3 grams in 100 ml is 3%. 5 grams in 100 ml, 5%. So if you do this dilution and spray it on your face, not only face, you can do it all over your body. So you can just spray it, leave it, and then you can see that niacinamide can do a better job. Don't apply it as a mask. As I said before, it is not a great idea, as you don't know how your skin will react. If you're using niacinamide for the first time after making these dilution as suggested by me, do a patch test. Just spray it here and just keep it for like some time, and then see how your skin is reacting. If it's going red, discontinue using the product. But if you think that your skin can adjust well, then after applying retinol, you can use this spray that you just made and then let it sit on the skin. With all my studies done on niacinamide, I have always read that it has shown positive effects only in the concentration range of about 3 to 5%. More than that, it is quite sensitive. Less than that doesn't do a very good job. So 3 to 5% concentration is the best to work with. If you have been using niacinamide for a very, very long time, let's say for a good 2 years of 5% of niacinamide, then you can switch to 10%. But if you are a beginner and you're going directly to the 10%, the very popular product from The Ordinary, that is the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%, don't, as a beginner, use this product straightforward because it's a very high concentration of niacinamide. You can go with a smaller concentration like 3% and 5%, then jump to the 10% after a good skincare routine for 2 straight years with 5 or 3% of niacinamide. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section below or reach out to me on my Instagram handle. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.